G.I.A Automotive 2011 BMW 535i. I'm doing a blower motor today. So here's a hole where it goes back into. This is the box that you gotta take apart. T25 with an extension and a 1/4 drive and 2 extensions, 4 bolts. Once you get the housing out, you got 4 bolts on the top. Then you take off this plastic cover, and then you got 4 more on the side over here, and now you can transfer over the new one and put everything back together. 31 years of service. Like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one.